Asante sana mwanchi muligeria TV Amazing Voice of Victory nechinga kichinde cyo chikomanya unabereka watika kurugaiga as TV ya Voice of Victory kurinde nigo togosaba kwabera asogo konyorwa koya chaka chinsa chiri cyabonetera kino mwanchi muliri noko nikonenga kwabere ko butwara lituko lireligia nabo igo kwabere go okwegokya nemeroberi yabereke ko gokira kurwa bwoga kite ntagwikera chinsa buni chiga cyabona maragoba gati yali atwakwariganene netinga na obono nigobono abanyagitari kurwasa chi county bunelia Kisii Taita Taveta na boigase county ya Meru nigobono bagosereri gochiko chakya omugiro onye serikali ichi county icho dirichigo chwikirania amagani abo babere babete bagwikia bosibwa bukulina se county ya Meru nigobono baikirie lituko liemeronge 33 ase omugiro obo mwanchu muliri tubasukale itene kurukwa bana basundali. Sante nigobono abanyagitari kurwa ase county ya Kisii bali inseri ya buri ya KMPDU na bagoti bali clinic officer nigobono bagosereri gochiko chaka omugiro obo onye serikali ya county ya Kisii onye teri gochi kubakorera amagani abo ayuba bete bakwigwana gati abo ningamo no gukinwa ebirugo kwa abanyagitari bali babere bago amasomo abo aikire asba ukinwa naboigo wakanwa emeshara yabo chinga kichibonete naboigo nikobona abanyagitari baburirie county government ya county ya Kisii gota chenchia chikava chabo cha NHIF wochia gotumeka ase nyagitari ya KTRH yoka kulende chibe chikutumeka gochia se chinyagitari chinde chionsi naboigo nikobaburirie niko abanyagitari abo babere bakuboria county government ya Kisii kubalika abanyagitari bande elio bachiko goikirania obogwenya gochia ase abamenyi be county ya Kisii
barere tuomirana as the union KMPDU ya doctors ya clinic officers ndubwate KHPS asogukwanira amangana atochandegete Kisii county government etwachorte serikali ye etokonye noko echora twachorte ngiringa taringeto echibesa kobako tutari na chirochio lakini e promote abantu baito erike na abantu bagende school
serikali entu anyaroseti lakini ya toro pia mangana KTRH ya kirechi green comes transfer kurwa ororo baletira abantu bechi contract bagwa kana 30,000 mbarosi KTRH act nga KTRH act ego nyebo kebe parastato tugatige ntumune kikenyiye ntwanya ko ibinya gitari ga parastato akinya gitari echo banya koigora ngaba MC no wale banya koigora bakora onche bintu bitaiyo. Can you invest on human resource akana abantu lika abantu enana well-being of human resource NHIF was trident insurance ye kokorega si inkoruara tadas mambe ku KTRH no abanajeshi mbaire freedom yoko ba treated anywhere they go to Karen hospital they go anywhere. Why us? Is it a scam of trident to cover converge to KTRH ingichinya gitari chinde chikwangira trident abana mbara waito batanya gwakanu for the last 24 months ingi county erengere e county yetu ereterere to because umuntu abere 24 months ono mwana mwanya bantu ayinkuliro mushahara orobisi ngi otagwakana mwana bantu or motei kwa mobutire gasi andaliye gasi ngao because sasa umemfunga hapa akule mshahara. Then number 4 promotions nchianya gokorwa e body yachire kiro monto yobisi no ali please tigato gotevi ngwa jete koti gatoira ni gasi mona chikiri ni kabisa kwangire gotoa mshahara yetu mshahara ito June lakini tutafanya strike ya nyamutapenda hakuna kuongea nto gwanchana na kindi gionsi paka abantu baito babere promoted amalio gatokire nyagitari omwana inchi anyole service ebintu benya batenga KTRH yaro sirichibesa. KTRH is not money minting activity, it is just a government hospital egwene wakonya abantu ebirema abantu baito bachandegete webitu bagenda tari korosie biasara. KTRH is not a money minting activity, but the problem is the county tetagitiko to engage eturoje munaba bisa ndurgo korwani omugabano ito ndunto bwati problem rangeri to isaransense ibe no na bali muno bali ngego mba isaranse bagakwana lakini nyato iko kwana na into no to county jinde chia only agreement yetu waligeranete na Council of Governors ese one of our county is represented kisi county tara kora kende gionsi babatanga turaenda meeting na ande na wone uturangirie meeting
tu asaine tie MOU egenta kama tu asaine tie MOU ti promotion egento gia kabere omusharo gudirei egento kia gatatu egento getunga statutory deductions obogole tie loan eta keire wakanu yanachwa iri wakanwa egento gia kana medical insurance una tole gabanya gitari bari tokurwe service yabere gasien komusana yabeire gasien komunga turi konyora abanya gitari abanyine bakurwali bari bakurwali
wikira boniga bantu bana kwa promoted etu wichi bese chikuna guchiro Nairobi bataiko ba promoted bantu mna boniga nurses barura bachire isiko yenze asengenjonga bantu mbali ibagokore rubobe mbiyoge ndense isikokore rubia tete kubuli mu governor Simbarat. You have the public service board, you have the department ya health abantu abanki bagokora bis ngonye mbali go promote abantu
na tutigarite ase omegiro yaba nyagitari nikabona abanyagitari kurwa ase county ya Taita Taveta nikabatebiringa onye serikali ya county government ya Taita Taveta onye tirigo chikubaikirania amagani yabo nigo barachigoswa ase chipara elio gochaka omogiro bene igoro asili tukolia ankyo barobere chigo chaka emegirobo onye serikali ya county ya Taita Taveta tirigo chikubakorera buna babete bakuigwana gati iyo ya marura babete bakubeka uchiase county government ya Taita Taveta ngamo noko egwa emishara yabo ase chinga kichibwenerete nabo igo nakobeka ebintu byo koreka ase county government ase chinyagitari chire ase county government ase county ya Taita Taveta.
The county government has been having this habit of paying us anytime they wish, like so, to pay our salaries. And we had an agreement that salaries should be paid on or before 5th of every month. But that's not happening. As we are speaking today, we are yet to receive even our August salaries.
We are not on a go-slow. We issued a strike notice which elapses on 4th, 11:59:00 hours, and from that day, the strike will commence. And it is so unfortunate it has to happen because it's the government who is on strike, it's not employees. We have been patient enough since the year 2022.
But as per now, gloves hakuna hospitali. How am I protecting the patient ule amekuja, na how am I protecting myself? Imefika mahali you're supposed to wear gloves on both hands, lakini tunavaa mkono mmoja ndo preserve isiishe. That is not acceptable. And these are the things, si eti tuna hii ni right ya mgonjwa na mimi nikiwa pale. Na
kurua se county ya Meru Nairobi cha Teriende kurere ni gobona abanyagitari kurua se county yibayikiriri tukolia boli 33 akere bari ase emigro ne wana bakubulia e county government ya Meru ebe yekuba kana emishara yabo nabo igo kubakorera buna babete bakoigwana nigo abanyagitari batiringa serikali ye county government yo nigo etali mirimo nabo igo oburaigwe county yo nigo bwabeire bokwira nanse nabo igo nigo bonge buna boli butali ase emirimo kulinde nigo bane kiunga emishara yabo wikira omutinyi o September nigo barachiko babakonyora engeria yabo.
In the county government of Meru, and particularly it is not able to address and resolve the issues affecting our health sector in this county. I want to specifically mention that all signals are clear that this county government, it has a dysfunctional health system and dysfunctional county governance, and this one it is demonstrated through failures to honor various agreements, including the recent one that we developed last year 2023.
Na sisi tunasema ya kwamba tunasikia uchungu mwingi sana wakati tunalalamika mwaka nenda tukisema tuna madaktari wa kutosha waweze kupeana huduma ambayo inafaa, serikali inasema hapana. Wanatuletea choo pale hospitali, wanatuambia wahitaji madaktari. Tukiitisha madaktari wa kutosha, wanatuambia hapana, wacha watengeneze lango kuu ambalo tumeambiwa kwamba limeanza kupata mianya na lori haiwezi ingia pale.
The common candas mumeambiwa muende mungoje at the end of the month of September. This month salary yenu itaweza kuingia kama vile ilifanywa. Number 2, the non-common candas, the chief officer, Dr. Waome, has told me that he is finalizing the list and he is bringing to my office by tomorrow. And therefore, when that list comes to my office tomorrow, I am going to forward it to the county.
Na tukusika mutu kurwa asemigre ya banyagitali nikobono ense ya China na bogo ense ya Kenya nikobono chirachi gukora obwonchiriri aiga mega yomurai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Samuel Ruto utarira ense yo eligwa kuikirania ebikaro bire asense yo ase abari kurwa sorgongo rwa Africa barachi koba bagwisaransa na bogo nigachite no murai bwense niga achete no murai kurwa asamo wazimio oyo boigo oligeti kochorwa ase koba omonyekero gwa AU.
It's an occasion, Your Excellency, to thank you also for convening FOCAC, the all-important forum that brings China and Africa together. It is also an important opportunity for Kenya-China Comprehensive Partnership Agreement, a strategic partnership that is based on a people-to-people engagement framed on programs that are mutually beneficial between our two countries.
Na toska mutu niko bono tukurina asense ya Kenya asebono okubagekana kwa bere gokorekana ase obomuguri bwa bali mu bumanye kainde buna Kupet niko bono ababwatani ao kurwa City County ao babere bakomochia omori kyobo akelo misori ase ogotenenia omogirobo ibabere bako omogirobo bugotachia egasi oyo abere kokoba inse yewu ekemo yabere kegweta nigo abare yawo kurwa City County ao nigo bana batebiringa nigo babete bakomanya ogotenenwa kumugiro yo wetera ase chitivi karabalinga kurigelia amangana amaya ase chitivi nigo mona bambo mochiri akero misori ase ogotabwati ase ogotaisaransa nabo ogotabamanya ekiba kiabete gikuyukana nabo gokwirira omugiro bo gotenenwa kurinde asense moyaye akero misori nigo aberega kwegereka otenga koba omurai nigo korabe taringi wanchirana ebintu bisarike na nere nigo kiro muntu niga murigeti buna omurai ase kyombekyo nigo nigatenga tara basaliti abalimu.
Haikuwa na shida hao kutujulisha kwamba tumeambiwa na mwajiri wetu hivi ndio ataweza kufanya. Kuhusu jambo hili watafanya hivi. Kuhusu jambo hili watafanya hivi. Sasa watueleza sisi kama National Governing Council members, nyinyi mnaonaje? Mwalimu sio electrical switch ambayo unaweka on na off bila akili mzuri anajaribu kufanya. Uwezi kuwaita kwa barabara uwatembeza siku mzima alafu jioni unawaambia hiyo kitu mlikuwa mnatembea nayo imeisha. What kind of nonsense is that? What does the national office take us for?
Issues that they thought maybe TSC was going to sit down and listen. We thought we were going to get a better deal, and by yesterday we were shocked after the demonstrations. We got from the media that the strike has been called off. Actually, it's not about calling off the strike, but it is about what is the Kenyan teacher, what is Kericho teacher getting from the strike that we went.
From the media, from the social media, that the strike has been suspended, and as Kupet Nyeri branch, we categorically ask our national executive board to facilitate the reforms in the constitution so that we can accommodate some things, because we noted like there is a hitch in our constitution whereby the SG alone can suspend the strike without involving the National Governing Council.
Na tuskamutu nikabona abakoli emirimo beserikali nikabona barachikonyora emishara ya engeri yabo kolengana na babete bakwibona ne serikali aigan kolengana no waziri Justin Biden Muturi ose enselia asensemelia ya public service leboigo Justin Muturi abakawa tenga nikabona kira emirabeli yonsi pia serikali irachikube kwense ya buli alimo imanyekene na huduma services ase abakenya bonsi pipa rachikonyara kilia paka nitukuru ase serikali ense ya chobisi cha huduma center.
National Treasury has, which I may wish to announce, has agreed to provide resources for the payment of civil servant salaries as per the terms contained in the collective bargaining agreement. Indeed, I wish to thank the National Treasury for seeing to it that this agreement is honored. There had been, of course, I'm sure many of you might want to ask why it is that we needed to go to talk to everybody about something which was already obvious having been agreed to. And we are also rolling out in the spirit of being effective and efficient in service delivery. We are rolling out a robust mechanism of one-stop shop for service in the framework of the Huduma centers. Our aim is to ensure that the public is able to be served as closest to their places of abode.
Niko bona serikali ya Kenya ebegete niko bona erochi konyora abatali ange milioni 5 wikira omwaka bukiri bibire na emirongo ebire na 5 na ibire ayiga nkolengana no muwaziri asensemelia yobutali asense ya Kenya Rebecca Miano ni boigo nigatenga nigakumwakira mbuyamaro umurai wense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase okubwatisia ewizare yobutali asense ya Kenya.
Tuko na target ya watalii milioni 5 by the year 2027. Tunaona hata tuko na mengi kabisa ya kuvutia watu wengi kuliko hata hiyo target yetu ya milioni 5. Tunatarajia tukitia bidii tufanye kazi pamoja. Tumepata ushirika mzuri sana hata kutoka kwa rais. Ameshikilia hii wizara kwa sababu ametueleza hii wizara iko katika priorities zake, kuongeza watalii na pia kuhifadhi wanyama na kuhifadhi mazingira.
Na tuskumuthuni gabono omurai weki amakirgia Safina Party na boigo oyoro monchiria omutimu sana asense ya Kenya Jimmy Wanjigi abeka wesoke na komomochia omurai wense na boigo ya serikali ase abantu bali babwatiru komi mamincha nerichiko aiga mega y'abantu batatu au batite komorora as kerasibire kera bwatitu na kobe kera begutu byara chigwiki isato chiarire babere batanya korekana au babwatitu mamincha nerichiko nigatebirenga bona serikali nigo ewente ebege kubwatia richiko.
It is devastating for a family and friends when a loved one disappears. Yet this is a harsh reality facing Kenya today. I myself am very touched by the plight that has been going on, and more so because Bob Jage and the Longman twins came to visit me in Kamkunji after I was illegally arrested by the police. They were abducted after visiting me. This is 3 weeks now, and they have not been seen, notwithstanding a lot of the court orders.
These issues of forced disappearance and abductions actually constitute crimes against humanity. And where we are going to seek for redress here in Kenya. And we are also going to invoke universal jurisdiction in countries that have accepted that concept as a means of achieving redress.
Asante sana. Na tugusuka mutuni gobono omomnyokigia ta Rebecca Cheptengei abirika kubekwa ase nyagitari konyora obogwenya aigamega yugusambwa nomo yokabeire omwanchoye nikobona kurwa amate ya kurwa ase amate ya Rebecca Cheptengei ya barege gekubulia enyore obwene kochia ase omwanobo.
Jumapili akawa sasa amenunua mafuta petrol lita 5 kule Endebess, na akakuja mpaka mahali mtoto anaishi. Watoto wameenda kanisani, wakati wanarudi alipomwaga msichana anapenduka kukimbia, anarudisha kumwagia kwa mgongo na kupitia kibriti. Sasa harakati hiyo, msichana akamwambia dada yake, kimbia uniletee blanketi. Mjamaa akateka msichana huyo mdogo yenye angeokoa dada yake, akachukua panga akaruba akate huyo mdogo naye akakimbia. Haki kwa serikali ifanyike, tupata haki, msichana huyo apata haki yake.
So usually when your skin is breached to that extent, we give adequate antibiotics and other products and other technologies that we employ. So the key thing is really to protect the body from going into multiple organ failure. We received a high-profile patient who is an athlete, but also sustained gender-based violence from a person known to her. The amount of burns on the body is about 80%, which is really severe. Some of them
na nigo ngomanga omonyegitali kurwa senyegitali ya Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital nikubona ene kiringa nigo Rebecca Cheptengei abete kakuya kerengo kegotanga emerongo 80% igokoranga nabajete ase kerenge kenene sana na noroboti rwabeire na gwikira uno moncho murigelingo twikira omweli wa mai mangana magia yechinse chigakurende ase county ya Mombasa abange oli babete bakurigiria nikubona omonya biasara omutimu sana kurwa sinseri ya boindi obeteka gusiria obugima bwaye oyobereka gukonya abantu ase mochi yo Mombasa kaba kagwetikwa negali kaisaransiri kagwetikwa ase mochi yo Mombasa kagutaliwa iganga no buya bwaye abereka akora nabo igone bimira biriya bikurwa ase abeteka kurwa asenseria oyinga ndabunga nababeteka okuna amagima y'abantu asenze mochi yo Mombasa tenga koramaya kule moyo litirane ngoro kwa bana basondali kwa nyamba yetimu elitwa watrana kurwa sense mo ichikamera nigakurukwa Newton Nyabera na wigo asense melia yende nigakurukwa Robin Yona Siangwe twara obuligiri obuya me yetibya Amazing Voice of Victory Television.